Greetings, YouTube. Danny Staten here on today's damn blog. I'm in the woods in Pelzer, South Carolina. I'm in a place called Merkwood, doing a big 360 investigation down this way today. It's lightly raining on my fat ass. I come up on this puddle, and I want to check it out. And I seen prints in the puddle. Do you see the prints in the puddle? They're not Bigfoot prints, but I'm thinking these might be some deers. Maybe some big deer print down through here. So I know the game is here. And where the game is, the Bigfoot is. I've had 22 reports of Bigfoot in this general area over the last week or so. Had a dog band sighting from down in Lawrence, but I'm not going 36 miles to investigate one sighting. So I guess I'll be checking out this place today. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was down in the same area. 2 days ago I was down here in the same area, where some people digging a grave said they had saw Bigfoot. And the next day, people putting in a tombstone said they had saw Bigfoot. So I came down and made a video. Lots of mushrooms in this area. I've heard other people talking about Bigfoot liking mushrooms. There's deer and there's mushrooms. I do believe there is a resident population of Sasquatch in this area. They live here all year round. I have reports all year round of seeing them. But over the last week or two, I've had an explosion of sightings in this general area. So Daddy Dan decided, you know what? Let's make a week of it. And just come here every day and walk the woods and check it out. I was in here one day, 2 days ago I made videos down here when the sightings occurred. I come back yesterday and I bet I walked through these things for 8 hours down this way. I never turned the camera on, didn't see nothing. But as I go down into here and get into parts of Merkwood I have not been into in quite some time, I'm way down the Merkwood Trail. I thought I would turn the camera on and share a little bit of this adventure. If nothing else, just to document the place for you guys in YouTube land, because just like I said, I hadn't been this far down the Merkwood Trail in a number of years. I'm deep. There seems to be a wood structure right down there. Like some piled up wood in a weird position. Let's see if I can get over there with the camera. See that, YouTube? One of them classic wood structures maybe that you hear so much about. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with Daily Dan. And we move on. The worst thing about coming down this deep into Merkwood, it's gonna take me hours to walk out of here. Because I'm hot, tired, and frustrated already. Seems like every day I come down here, every day that I've come down here, it's been rainy, but no clouds. It was the same way last time I was in here. And the time before that. You get that rainy feeling for a second or two. But you don't see no clouds, the sun's still out. It's a weird thing. Daddy Dan's trying to move cautiously, but I sure should be moving a lot quieter. That much is for sure. Daddy Dan has a bad habit of running his mouth a lot when he's on his investigations. Talking to you guys. I do see some messed up stuff on the trail. Something could have kicked through here yesterday. Or the day before, maybe. Okay, I definitely heard something. heard something brushing in the bushes or... Getting a drink of water in case you're wondering. It's very hot today. Okay, we move on. I definitely heard something. I do not know why they explain that, except maybe like Bigfoot sneezed. I hope that camera picked up that strange sound so you can analyze it. Tell me what the hell you think that was. It came from right where I'm pointing. But yeah, Daily Dan, if I'd be a little quieter now. I suppose that could have been the huffing noise a large buck deer makes, but I do not know. It sounded like Bigfoot sneezed to me. Like, you know, whatever it is, it was close. Within 100 yards of me, I'm sure. More like 50. Maybe 60 yards away to my left. Daily Dan has a feeling that he's not alone in these woods. I always had that feeling. As usual, YouTube, be sure to let me know in the comments below if I'm missing something. My glasses are fogged over. It's 90 degrees out here and I'm dripping sweat. I'm so covered in sweat, it's pathetic. See what I mean? I wonder how that's going to look on camera. I've never did that before. Probably shouldn't have did it that time. I wonder if I showed up all wet with sweat and stuff. Hope my face didn't show up. I don't even like doing the live streams where my face shows up. What the fuck? Look at the size of that giant puddle up there, you two. There's some roofing. What the hell is that doing way down here? Did it blow up a house in a storm and blow all the way down to merkwood? Oh, this is a damn giant ass puddle right here, boy. And something's living in the freaking puddle. There's some really interesting tracks going in, but it's probably big ass deer. I don't want to get too close. My fat ass does not need to fall in a puddle. It's like a canopy of briars. Making it through there sucked. As I look on the sides of the puddle for any footprints, I think I'm seeing something right over there, but it's really hard to get to with all these damn briars. Let me try to make my way around this motherfucker. I'm checking the sides of this puddle, looking for any tracks. I'm not seeing much of anything. Ooh, there goes a beat down spot. That looks like it might be a toe print right there. Like a left foot where something pressed down into the ground. But if it is, it's super huge. And I did hear that sneezy sound a few minutes ago. Well, hell, I'm deep in the woods on an investigation. I'm out of wind, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I do not know what's going to happen next. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for Daily Dan. I'm doing all this for you, friends. And you are my friends. Till next time, this is Danny Staten in West Pelzer, South Carolina, in search of Bigfoot. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for me. Blog over.